Okay, now the next problem. This is the previous problem that we deal with the something, the some vector is turning to be another vector. Now it is rotating about an about a point like origin, and it is basically onto some other vector, and both the magnitudes are same. So basically, it is becoming parallel. So that is why we have done with the dot product thing. Now in this case, if you look at the problem, it is perpendicularness. Okay, it is perpendicularness. It is saying it is perpendicular, but we need to consider some concept over here. What are those concepts? If a plus 3b is perpendicular to 7a minus 5b, and a minus 4b is perpendicular to 7a minus 2b, that means this vector is perpendicular to this and this vector is perpendicular to this. Then angle between a and B. Very interesting problem. Very interesting problem to look at this problem. Okay. Now, first thing that we should remember, if this type of problem is given, what is the first thing that you should do? See, perpendicular is there means you don't consider to, you know, get all this thing the different way. First, realize the question, what it says actually. So actually, they have not given directly what a vector makes an angle with another vector. Directly, they have not given. But what else they have given? They have given the relation, like how the orientation of the one vector with another vector. It is not the orientation, the relation they have given, like a plus 3b, like that they given in that. Okay, so what we can do in that? So in the given problem, what we can write in the given problem, a plus 3b perpendicular to 7a minus 5b, and so these are the given, and a minus 4b is perpendicular to 7a b vectors minus 2b. Now some concept you must know for solving this type of problem. First concept one, if two vectors are perpendicular, two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is, their dot product is 0. Why? Because dot product is given for that cos thing, na. So if something is perpendicular to another thing, that means the angle between them is theta is 90 degree. But you know the dot product is cos theta. So cos 90 is 0. So therefore their dot product is 0. This is the concept. So what you can do for the first case, just find the dot of first two perpendicular vectors. So a plus 3b dot 7a minus 5, and that has to be 0, you know, by default. So dot means I know what I know. I know it should be like with a, if it is given like this, a, it is just, you know, multiply those terms. Like ij is not given, so what I can do, just simple, just dot multiplication of this thing. So because ij part is not given, if they have given the ij, then we might have no problem. Okay. So what you should consider this a a and 7a, so 7a square, and then 7a square, and then minus 15 b square. First a square and b square term I am taking, plus 16a dot b, that is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And from the second perpendicular vectors, the thing would be a minus 4b dot 7a minus 2b. Okay, that should be 0. Now for that also, 7a square plus 8b square minus 30 square, 30 a b, 30 a, sorry, no more letters. 30 a b is equal to 0. So this is equation 2. This is equation 2. So equation 1 is there, equation 2 is there. Now, for if you compare both of them, from equation uh, this 2 and 1, if you compare both of them, what we should realize in this case, we are comparing both the things, then we can realize the magnitude of these two, you know, two conditions, two things, how they can be realized in this case, how they can be realized in this case. So first thing is that if both the equation was we have derived, then subtract second equation from the first equation. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What you should get? So first equation, if I write 7a square, then plus 16a dot b minus 15b square minus 7a square minus 30ab, then plus 8b square. So that should be equal to, if you subtract that thing, that should be also equal to 0, because that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. You are subtracting 2 from 1, that means the left hand side portion 0, and right hand side 0 minus 0 0. So what you will be getting here, these things get cancelled, 7a square, 7a square, these things get cancelled, only you are left with 46 a b, a dot b minus 23 b vector square, okay, is equal to 0. So from that thing you will get 46 a b is equal to 23 to square, and then it is 2 times, so 2ab is equal to b vector square. Okay, now once you get this value, like 2ab is equal to this thing, that you can substitute in the first equation. So 2ab value you get this, 2ab is b square. So first equation was 7 A square plus 16 AB minus 15 B square is equal to 0. Now just substitute 7A square 16 AB. 16 AB means you can do 8 into 2 AB. So 2 AB is what? B square. So 8 B square. Because 16 is nothing but 8 into 16 AB means 8 into 2 AB. 2 AB is this. So 8 into this. Okay. Minus 15 B square is equal to 0. From that thing, what we can get? 7A square is equal to 8 minus 50. So this becomes minus 7. Minus 7 if you take here plus 7, 7 B square. So therefore you can say A vector mod of A is equal to mod of B. That we can consider. Now what you should do? We know one thing, like in this equation 2A dot B is equal to B square. Here if I substitute this, A is equal to B, this concept. Okay, what we can consider? See, 2AB, that thing can be written as 2A vector B vector is equal to B square. Now A is equal to B. So what I can do? See, sorry, this if I write, see, dot A dot B is there. If I write this mod thing, means you need to write cos theta, because you know na, A dot B is equal to A mod B cos theta. So 2 is there. A dot B, if I write A mod B, that means cos theta immediately after that. So cos theta you first write. A mod B cos theta is equal to B square. Now, the thing, A, because A mod B is equal, so I can write square, because both of them equal na, both of them equal. I have proved that is cos theta is equal to B square, and B square is also A square, because both of them are equal, we know. So what, we can cancel out them, and cos theta will become half, because 2 is there. 2 cos theta is equal to 1, so cos theta is equal to half. So theta becomes, cos theta half means theta becomes 60 degree. So angle between them is 60 degree. This is how you can basically calculate the theta between A and B.